an old Schrade old-timer pocket knife that is in desperate need of sharpening. And so I thought I would sharpen it today with this sharpening stone. I don't think it'll take too long, but use the sharpening stones. We always want to use them with water. So I'm going to douse it in some water and start. This is really a dull, really dull knife. Should every time you do one of these, you should do the same number of passes on both sides. It's getting a little sharper. Much sharper. Okay, so after we use the blue side is 1,000 grit. We turn it over and use the white side for finishing. It's 6,000 grit. And it should take all the little, when you sharpen a knife, what you're actually doing is putting thousands of little scratches on the blade. And when you're doing that, you're taking little pieces of the blade off. And those pieces that you take off help sharpen the blade. This white side is more like a polishing stone. The grit on it is so small that it takes all those little pieces of blade that have been scraped and scratched and polishes all those out. So when you're sharpening your knife, you're kind of, this little gray residue, this sludge that you see on the sharpening stone is little tiny pieces of your knife blade, microscopic pieces of your knife blade that are left behind. And so it mixes with the water and it's almost like creating a slurry. And this slurry helps to sharpen your knife blade. Sorry, the wind's a little bit strong today. Okay, I think this knife is definitely sharper, more usable now, and I'll carry that in my pocket proudly.